Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 5 multiples and factors, and today's topic is factors, and in the last class we have already learned about multiples. So here you can see that this is the number land. We have a place called a number land where all the numbers live together, and we know that certain numbers when multiply to give other numbers, what are these numbers then? These numbers are called factors, right? This is the number land in which all the numbers live together. So what are factors? So factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product, right? When you are multiplying the number with the other number, then you will get the product, that numbers which you are multiply to get the product, these are called factors. So children, also we know that how do we have to find the factors? How we can find the factors? By dividing the numbers. So when you will divide the numbers, when it will leave no remainder, then what does it mean? The number is a factor of the given number, right? So when you are dividing the number, then if it will leave no remainder, then what are these numbers are called? These numbers are called factors. So here number 10 is saying that who are my factors. So I think 10 needs to find its friends. So let's see the friends of 10. Who are the factors of, who are the friends of 10? So here 1 into 10 is equals to 10. So here what can I see that 1 multiplied by 10, this is giving the number 10. So whose are the friends of 10? 1 and 10 are the those numbers after multiplying which is giving us the same number 10. So it means that 1 and 10 are the friends of 10. 1 and 10 are the factors of 10. Now 10 wants to know about their more friends. So here the number 2 and 5 is also saying that we are the friends of 10. So how? So when 2 and 5 are multiplying together, so it is giving the product 10. So what does it mean? So it means that 2 and 5 are the friends of 10. 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. So these are the 2 and 5 are both the factors of the number 10, and these are the friends of 10. So here we can see that we have till now we have seen 3 friends of 10. Now 10 has done the friendship with 2 and 5 because these are the factors of 10. So now 10 is saying that 10 is a factor of the number itself. That's why 10 is a friend of itself only. So 10 is a factor of the number itself. So 10 into 1, this is giving him a 10 only. Now again, till now we have seen that there are 4 friends of 10, but 10 wants to know that what are all the factors I have. Now I just got it now that I have 4 friends, but how many factors I have now with me? So now I have to check how many factors of 10 are with him. So the factors of 10 are 1 because 1 was the friend of the number 10. Number 10, 2 was also the friend of number 10, 5 was also the friend of number 10, and 10 was the number of the 10 friend of itself. So 1, 2, 5, 10 are the factors of the number 10. So these are all the factors of the number 10. These are the friends of 10. Now let's see how we will find the factors and its working also. So by finding the factors, you have to keep one thing in your mind. We always start with the 1. 1 multiplying with the number. We always start with the counting number 1, right? So you have to multiply 1 by that number so that it will give a factor of the given number. The next step is that then you have to, after multiplying by 1, you have to try with 2, 3 and 4 by dividing the numbers with a given number, by dividing these counting numbers with a given number, right? You have to divide the given number by these counting numbers to get its factor. So after multiplying by 2, 3, 4, what you have to do? When you repeat your factors, cross out the repeat. You are done at this point. It means that when your factors are repeating, suppose that it is 2 into 3 is equals to 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So these are repeating. So you have to cross out the repeat one. Fine. It means that you have done at this point. So your factor has come now. Or when you will get the doubles such as 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7, then it means that you have done. You have found your factors. So repeat or doubles let you know that you are done. So these repeats and doubles make you understand that we will not find the factors more because till here it has been done. Okay. Now you have to note one thing. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself, like every number is a multiple of the number itself, right? In the same way, every number is a factor of the number itself, because when you will divide, take any number, if you will divide by 1, then it will give you the same result. It means that every number is a factor of the number itself, and in the factor case we will always divide. And in multiples we always multiply. So let's find the factors of 16. So firstly, 1 into 16, 1 multiply by 16. So we have to start with 1 multiply by 16. This will give you 16 only. Next is 2 multiply by 8. So this will give you 16 also. The next counting number is after 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Then 3. So children, why we are multiplying with 16 and 8 only? Look at here. Look at here. So if I'm writing 1, you have to start with 1 multiply. Then how we have got the 16? How we have got the 16? Because what you have done over here, you have divided the given number by the counting number. 16 divided by 1. What it is giving to you? 16, the number itself, and leaving the remainder 0. When I divided 16 by 1, I got 16 and leaving the remainder 0. Right? So here I come to know that I have to multiply with 16 to get the number 16. That's why 16, 1 16s are 16. We always start with the number 1. Then the next number is 2 into 8. How do I know that I have to multiply with 8 only? So what you can do, the given number is 16. So just write down 16 divided by the next counting number is 2. So you have to divide it by 2. This will give you 8 and leaving the remainder 0. It is compulsory that whenever you are finding the factor, it should leave a remainder 0. So the next number it is giving to me, it is 8. That's why 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Now I would like to check with the next counting number is 3. 3 multiply what number? So when I tried to divide 16 by 3, I got 3 5s are 15, and it is not leaving a remainder 0. It is leaving the remainder 1. So I'm not done with 4. I'm not going to do with 3. So what I have to do with 3? I have to just, so it means that 3 is not a factor. So cross it out. Right? When it is not a factor, because it is leaving a remainder, so it is not a factor of 16. So I have to try with the next number, 4 multiplied by 4. This is giving me 16. I know that it comes in the table of 4. So how do I know that? I have to go with the 4 only. So 16 I have divided with 4. This is giving me 4 only. Right? This is giving me 4. And it is leaving a remainder 0 also. So this is giving me the factor 4. So now I have got it over here. Doubles. I got the doubles over here, 4 into 4. So I just told you that when you will get the doubles, it means that you have done it. You have found the factors. So till here, we have to finish. We have to stop it over here. So these are the factors. How we have to write? Firstly, you have to write the counting numbers. 1, 2, and the next is we have cut it 3, so we'll not write. So we have to write 4. Okay. 1 to 4 are the factors. After it, then move to the next line. You have to take a right turn. Then we will move upside. Okay. Then 4 is repeating, so we will write only one time. 4 is getting the doubles, so doubles we have to write only one time. Then after 4, we will go with 8. We have to write 8. Then we have to write 16. So in this way, you have to basically you have to make a U. You have to go like this. Okay. So these are the factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 are the factors of 16. In this way, you have to find. Now let's start this with an activity, factor rainbow. Let's do the question of the number 16. So here we have a number 16. I need to draw a factor rainbow for the number 16. Right now, I just found it for the number 16. I got the factors 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Right? So on the, I have made a 2 clouds. Firstly, you have to make a 2 clouds. One is there and second is on the right side. So in the first cloud, I have to write the counting numbers, that is which is on the left hand side. That is 1, 2, and 4. Right? So I've just written the counting numbers, and on the other side you have to write that number which is going to be multiply this number to get the product 16. So what are these numbers? These numbers are 4, 8, and 16. These are the numbers 4, 8, and 16. Right? Now I have to make a rainbow for it. I have to match with this number so that it will giving me a 16 number. So I have to use with the red color. So I have to match 1 multiply by 16. 1 multiply by 16. This is giving me 16. I have to take a next color, different color, then red. So I have to take a green color. Now I have to match with 2 multiply by 8. This is giving me 16 because 2 8s is 16. I have to choose a one more color. Okay, blue color. So this is, I'm going to match the number 4 with the number 4. This is giving me 16. 4 4s are 16. Now I have to color it. I have to color this rainbow. Color the rainbow with the blue color. You can draw it in your notebook also. Whenever you are finding the factors, you can draw it in your notebook. Right? Then after it, I have to shade a green color so that it will give you a rainbow effect. So this is just an activity. After finding the factors, you can draw a rainbow for every number. Right? So you can keep your rainbow factor as a record in your notebook. It is easy to learn the factors. Right? This is basically an easy concept to learn the factors. So here I have used only 2 colors, and after it I have to make a red color. So this is the rainbow is ready. So what does it giving? It is giving 1, 2, 4. 4 is going to repeat. I'm not going to write 4 again. And 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16. In this way, you can do it on your own. You can find for 18, 24, 36, 12, 10, 8, 6, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, so many numbers. You can find the factors of the given number with the help of rainbow factors or the working of the numbers. Right? Thank you.